Let's make baked falafel with cucumber salad. The recipe is in the description box below. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Soak the chickpeas, then drain them. Add the chickpeas to a food processor with the onion, garlic, parsley, coriander, cumin, ground coriander, paprika, baking powder, olive oil, salt and pepper. Pulse until the mixture is finely ground and holds together when pressed. Shape the mixture into small balls or patties, about the size of a walnut. Place them on the prepared tray. Brush the falafel lightly with olive oil. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway through until the falafel are golden brown and crisp on the outside. While the falafel are in the oven, make the cucumber salad. Combine sliced cucumber, chopped tomato, red onion, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper, and herbs in a bowl. Toss gently to mix. Serve the baked falafel warm with the cucumber salad on the side. Enjoy!